Alright. Welcome back to another Bummer Bikes vlog. Today I'm gonna go service my chain with my buddy. But first I gotta go grab some food and then I can head over to his place. I'm really hoping that my new microphone setup works well. I haven't tried it out before, and hopefully this fixes my audio issues on the helmet cam. It's not going to fix the audio issues on this thing because I have yet to put the wind protector on it, and without said wind protector it's all just going to be the same windy noise. Now that it's nice and windy, I should probably do some mic testing. How loud do I need to speak into this microphone? I don't know. Kind of going to be one of those hopefully we can fix it in post issues. Or maybe I don't have to fix anything in post and it's going to be all fine. Tweedledee and Tweedledum had a big ol' foursome. And to think that people could drive is nothing but to strive. I don't know how to do rhymes, guys. I'm not a rapper. Can't do freestyles. Honestly, this vlog is probably going to be more of just a audio test vlog than anything else. I mean, you'll see me go to Taco Bell, but I don't know. Not like I'm doing much more than that. Hey, Macarena. I'm gonna die before I get to this light. You know how funny that would be? Popo, popo, wee woo, wee woo. Let's really try not to get in trouble with the police. Wouldn't be very happy about that now, would we? Got wires. I got so many wires coming out of this helmet now, it's crazy. I need to consolidate it all into the helmet. All of it's like coming out of it right now. It's crazy. Oh, another popo. Another policeman. I mean, it's okay. As long as I don't excessively accelerate or speed right now, I'm not doing anything else wrong. Unless you were to get upset about the exhaust, but 12. Eagles are forever. What's that supposed to mean? Are they an Eagles fan, or does Eagles mean something else? Ooh, is that a convertible catfish Camaro? That thing looks so ugly. I hope he hears me. Except I know he doesn't. Man, if this Taco Bell is closed, I'm going to be a very unhappy camper. The world shall know my wrath. The wrath of lack of Taco Bell. Taco Bell, Schmabaco Tell. I'm gonna get me some Taco Bell. There's so much sauce down here. Taco Bell acquired. Why are you so far behind, dude? Go on, move up to the line. Alright. Yeah, alright, get the f*** out of the way. Nope, and you're gonna decide not to go. Okay. You know, if you moved forward all the way before you turned, you would have made that. Into the garage. Ugh, ugh. All right, we are at my friend's place.
Are you doing something?
Hello. All right, now we're headed back. Got my chain all lubed up and clean, got it adjusted, all tensioned properly. Readjusted my rear suspension, so we'll see how that behaves now that it's different. Still got to do the front though, so that's gotta change a bit too. Anyway, that's it for the vlog portion of this video. We'll see you in the explanation half. So now that we're back from the ride, let's go over this audio setup. Now, first things first, it did take me about 2 years to figure out how to get this thing set up properly. I went through about 3 or 4 setups before I figured out the missing piece that I really needed. That missing piece is a gain adjuster. Now, the one that I decided to use is the Rode Wireless Go 2. It is a wireless lavalier mic, but the receiver unit does have a built-in gain adjustment. This is a little bit more of an expensive route, but I went with it because I do record to the mirrorless camera, and it does help me keep from having to make an audio file and a video file separately. Now, taking a look at the helmet, I do have a Shoei RF-SR. While this may not be the best for wind protection, it does work quite well after using the gain adjuster. So up here at the front, I have a GoPro Hero 8 with the media mod. The media mod is then attached to an aux cable that comes in to the wireless receiver for the Rode Wireless Go 2. The Wireless Go 2 is set at -30 dB, and this is just to prevent all that extra wind noise. A quick note here, I have since changed the gain adjustment. It now sits between -15 and -9 dB, depending on the roads I'm using and depending on what the weather is like. This will also change depending on the helmet that you use, the microphone that you use, microphone placement within the helmet, and a number of other factors. Now, coming to the inside of the helmet, I have a Sena microphone wired in. It is a microphone that comes with my 50S. You could go on Amazon and pick up a Sena or a Cardo microphone, or you could use something like the Movo lavalier mic, which I was using previously, or a Purple Panda if you so wish. Now, coming to the back, the Sena microphone that I have is a 2.5mm connector, which I needed to get an adapter for. You can find one online. I will link the one that I found below. The microphone, after the adapter, is then connected to the Rode Wireless Go 2, and that is mounted here on the back of the helmet. And that is pretty much the audio setup. There's not much else going on. It's a few difficult pieces to find, especially that 2.5 to 3.5mm audio jack. That was a tough find. Other than that, you can go crazy with any sort of gain adjuster that you want, or go with the Rode lavalier mic like I did. That's all I have for this video. We'll see you in the next one.